Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Google Chrome latest version on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. The process is same on all AlmaLinux OS versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with AlmaLinux OS, that is Firefox. Now go to Google, then search for download Chrome, hit enter, then click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. For AlmaLinux OS we have to select the 64-bit RPM package. So select it and click on accept and install. See, download started. See here its size is 113 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install the Google Chrome. See, we have successfully installed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -no tabs. Then Google, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable version 136. Control L, we have successfully installed. Activities. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to automatically send usage statistics and class reports to Google, you have to select the checkboxes. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Then if you want to sign in, click on sign in. If you don't want, select don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome. Click on got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. Now ls, this file is not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed Google Chrome. rm, give Google, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome stable version on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.